Are you responsible for reconciling your speed type or group of speed types? If you are, we recommend that you do this every month. There are 5 key MFIN reports to help you. The 5 reports are MFIN Operating Summary, MFIN Speed Type One-Liner, MFIN Financial Detail 2, MFIN Outstanding Encumbrance, MFIN Abnormal Balance and Resource Deficit. These reports are useful because they tell you your available balance, which shows how much money you have after expenses and commitments. They show you how spending compares to what was budgeted, and they help you spot issues that need to be corrected. Let's take a quick look at each of these reports. The MFIN Operating Summary reviews your speed type activities for the fiscal year. It gives a complete financial picture of the speed type showing its available balance and the balance by account codes. This report is useful for verifying how much money or budget is available to spend, seeing how actual activity compares to what was budgeted, and spotting unusual activity. If you don't have dozens of speed types to reconcile, the MFIN Operating Summary is a great place to start. But if you do have lots of speed types, you may want to start with the MFIN Speed Type One-Liner. This report shows budget, actual, and encumbrance balances. If you run this report for FOPs that includes gift funds, it will show you the CU Foundation available balance for those gifts. And you can use the extras prompt to get even more details. This report is useful for viewing details for multiple speed types at once and identifying deficits. The MFIN Financial Detail 2 provides an itemized list of all transactions for a speed type. It can be run for all account codes for a speed type, or it can be limited to specific accounts. You can filter a transaction by specific journal source code, such as PET, for payroll expense transfers. And you can break apart concurrent details, like employee name and expense descriptions, for easier sorting. This report is especially useful for identifying unexpected and unusual transactions, missing transactions, and accounting errors. The MFIN Outstanding Encumbrance Report provides an itemized list of all expenses that are committed but not yet incurred for a speed type or purchase order. This report is useful for budgeting remaining funds and cleaning up open purchase orders. The MFIN Abnormal Balance and Resource Deficit report highlights problems with a speed type. When you see anything on this report, it's like a red flag. Review the balances for appropriateness and make any fixes necessary so that the incorrect balances are cleared the next time you run the report. This report is useful for identifying accounting errors and speed types for which commitments exceed resources. Do you have any questions or suggestions about your MFIN reports? Contact the Finance and Procurement Help Desk.